Hi friends, good afternoon. Today I will tell you a second important question of interview that will contribute a 30% of weightage, that will contribute, take you closer to your dream job. The first question was, tell me something about yourself. My previous video I have given you everything, how you have to answer, what are the scientific techniques for those, answer those things. Now another question is why you have left your previous job. I've seen many times, the candidate tell that I didn't along with my boss. They do a lot of bad wording about the company, about the bosses, which really a backfire, which create a very negative impression about the employee. That that shows a nervousness, that shows ignorance, that you're not mature enough how to respond to those things. So don't try to do that. Don't try to do that. It's better that you can share your perspective that why you are looking for change, right? Why you are looking for change? There was some problem. You are laid off. You are fired, or something. Whatever situation are there, just tell them upfront, right? Why majorly people say that I am very happy with my current organization. I am very happy as the way the company was going fantastically. Things was very happy, but I wanted to do something different. I want something more. I'm looking for a different profile. I've been working for this company for last 5 years. I have started this. I have two years I was this level, 3 years I was this level. So I have whatever the reach I could achieve in the present organization, I have already done that. Now I'm looking for a bigger role. I'm prepared. I'm ready to take a next level opportunity. So I want to achieve that. I want to get that. I'm ready for those things. So everybody has the right to do that, and it is a valid question. I mean, the way the answer is being said, it is absolutely right, because everybody has a right to think about the career, to grow in the career, to plan for their future as well. So if you say that is okay, but sometimes somebody is fired from organization because of their bad behavior, because of their bad attitude, because of the mistake they have done. If the HRs tell them very clearly, boss, before some time, before some time I had some problem, right? And this happened with me, and because of this reason I was fired. But after that I realized that mistake and I have improved this area, and I can give you guarantee that I will not be able to do this. I will not do this. I can give you promise. So you can very well tell them, and you also tell them that I have this much of experience. I can bring a lot of value to the company. I can help you out this way. You make them understand, right? So that is very important. Don't hide anything, because what happened. The big organizations always do reference check. Big organization always do reference check. Even you join it. Even after 3-4 months, because the reference check has been done by a third party. So at the screening level, the company, when they feel something good, they get the employee join in the organization. But the back end, their investigation agency doing investigation, their certification investigation, their previous companies HR heads, or they ask about some references. If any bad references you got, or any complaint you have got, company will not take even a single moment to sack you out from the company. Even they can lodge a fire against you, because you have forged the document. You have false, you falsely made a lot of statement to them at the time of joining. So avoid those situations. Tell them frankly what was the reason, right? Because that is very important. You're going to join a company, and you're going to join a hand with a company, that the company will nourish your future. So don't try to build a relationship at the bridge of false commitment, at the bridge of false words. So think in that way, and be upfront, and face these challenges. I hope you will like, my friend. Thank you very much.